I am going to be solving this problem based on the circle theorems that I have previously discussed on this channel. Here, O is the center to the circle A, B, C, D, E. PV is the tangent to the circle at A, and then PAD is 130 degrees. So we are asked to find the value of X, Y, and Z. So the easiest angle to obtain here is the angle at E, that is angle DEA. Angle DEA is equal to 130 degrees, which is equal to the angle at PAD. The reason for that is this is the angle in alternate segment. So let me say alt and then segments. That's the reason for that. So I can mark this as 130 degrees. Now from there, we can obtain Z, that is angle DBA. Angle DBA happens to be in a cyclic lateral as the same as 130 degrees. So if you look at BDEA, you're going to notice that it's a cyclic lateral, and we are made to know that the opposite angle of a cyclic lateral, when you have two angles, the sum up to 180 degrees. So I can just say opposite angle of a cyclic lateral. So Z is equal to 50 degrees. So I take this as 50. From there, we can obtain Y. Y is an angle in the same segment with angle at Z.
It's 15 hours.
I beg your pardon. So I say Y is equal to Z is equal to 50 degrees. That is angle in same segment. Right. So here's 50 degrees. Lastly, to obtain the value of X, we'll have to consider line PAV, this line, which is a tangent. The sum of angle on the straight line is 180 degrees. And if you look at PAV, 130 degrees is here. This part seems to be missing, and then we have to find X as well. But we can obtain the value here. Let me call this N, because this N falls inside an isosceles triangle DEA. So in this triangle, in triangle DEA, we can find the value of N. Of course, the angle here is going to be N because it's the base angle of an isosceles. So basically, they're going to be the same, right? So the angle at N is going to be equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees divided by 2. So N is equal to 25 degrees. The reason for that is base angles of an isosceles, triangle. So here I have 25 degrees as well as what we have here. So because our attention should be on X, we are less concerned about the value here. So the value of X is going to be X plus 25 plus 130 degrees, because the sum of angle on a straight line PAV is 180 degrees. So it's going to be 180 degrees. So X equals to 180 degrees minus 155. Sorry. So this is equal to 25 degrees. So here we have 25 degrees.